I'm gonna scare Erica. She's in the shower and turn the lights on. Okay. Don't flash the camera. YouTube, baby. Are you peeing on yourself? No. Let's give a close up. Eddie Calamardo.
First check if there's any nudeness, and then you can go put it on. There's no nudeness, please, okay? I'm gonna like all this curtain, then there will be nudeness.